Welcome to Kickstart Cardio Day 1. So here's an overview of your workout. I'd like you guys to complete this 3 to 5 times through for your whole workout. So after this, we're going to go over form for all the movements, different variations, and then you have the option to download your own interval timer and do it on your own, or watch the video of me doing it and do it along with me. So here is a back lunge with a high knee at the top. So an important form cue is to make sure that your weight is in your heel. I show you right here. You can see my heel is staying on the ground the whole time. Another thing is that your back knee should not be banging into the ground. It should still be hovering a bit above the ground. Here I am doing the knee drive. You're really going to want to power through during this movement. And here's another view of me doing the same movement. So during our HIIT workout, we will do 30 seconds on either side. So you do not need to worry about switching mid-set. It'll just count as a different set. All right, so this move is going to be a push-up with a twist to open your side body. So with this one, this is the main variation. I forgot to add me doing this, but you can totally do it just on your knees. The twist might be a little bit more difficult, but that's an option. Here is me doing the twist without doing push-ups. So if you do push-ups and you start burning out, you can still keep moving and doing the twist. And then here is me doing it on my forearms with a dolphin push-up. So if push-ups hurt your wrists, this is a great option. So this next move is a butterfly squat. So here I'm just showing you a basic squat. Now I'm showing you what not to do. We definitely want to make sure our heels are staying down, we're not coming onto our toes, and that our torso is staying up. So here's the butterfly squat. You're going to do a calf raise. This is something that you should be doing slowly to make sure you're actually engaging your calves and you're not just using momentum to throw your body up. You're also going to be doing some arm movement similar to a butterfly. All right, and here we have a plank with a kick up. So you're just gonna get into that plank position, bring your legs up. You wanna make sure your hips are not dipping down and they're also not up in the air. So here's a variation on your knees. I actually found this one more challenging than being up in a typical plank position. So you can play around with it and see what works for you. All right, so your last move is going to be a side step with jumping jack arms. I really want you to focus on your speed for this one. It's pretty hard to mess up your form, so we just want to get your heart rate going. So here you go. That's it. And a little dance. And just a reminder for when I'm going through the workout with you, if I change my movement mid-set or the positioning of my body, it's because I'm showing you a different option.